Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome back to Spectrum News 1. It is February 1st. We're into a new month. January is behind us, so let's take a look back at all the extremes we saw. Warmest temperature actually happened yesterday, all the way up to 67 in Bowling Green, but a very cold morning. Our coldest temperature was just 5 degrees, over 5 inches of rainfall. We got 4.2 inches of snow, making it not too impressive, the 28th snowiest January ever officially in Bowling Green. Almost an inch and a half of precip above normal. We typically average about 3.6 inches, and you see they're over 5 inches. So a very wet January. Now we look ahead toward February. We also get all sorts of extremes. Warmest temperature ever in February in Bowling Green was 83 in 1918, but we've fallen to as cold as 20 below zero. 1951, over 11 inches of precip in 1989, and over 20 inches of snow in 1979. In a typical February, we get about 4 inches of precip and about just under 3 inches of snow. So we'll see if we have an average month. If you want snowfall, we're not looking at any here. Over the next 5 days, it is looking relatively snowless, but it will be very mild. A cooler day today with plenty of clouds around, maybe some peaks of sunshine late in the day. A better chance of seeing sun by this afternoon will be along the Ohio River. You get along and south of the parkways, I think a lot of that cloud cover is going to try to hang on. Notice by late in the day is when we might see a couple of peaks of sunshine here, but then clouds are expected to build right back in tonight, and we're looking at a pretty cloudy day, but a milder day on Sunday because we're going to see the return of some southerly flow. That should help to warm us up for Sunday and beyond. A very mild week to kick off February is on the way. So upper 40s today, better chance of 50 will be along and west of Kentucky Lake, I think, but most of us should flirt with the 50-degree mark. And then tonight with those clouds building right back in, that should put a lid on temperatures falling very much, upper 30s and lower 40s. And you look at the extended forecast, Groundhog Day is tomorrow. We'll see what Punxsutawney Phil or Buckeye Chuck or whoever your favorite prognosticating rodent is, whether we see 6 more weeks of winter or an early spring. A breezy day on Sunday. And then our next chance for precipitation, maybe a couple of thunderstorms, maybe that arrives by the middle part of the week.